Hi everyone, I'm Josh from DocuSign University. Today we're going to look at how to use custom dashboards and reports to build a clear, streamlined view of your agreements for your team. I'll walk you through how to create a custom dashboard, how to create a custom report, and how to add that report to the dashboard. Let's start by opening Insights. From your DocuSign homepage, select Insights, and on the left, you'll see the navigation for dashboards and reports. Dashboards provide you with a visual overview of a focus area, while reports are the individual charts and tables that feed those dashboards. To create your first dashboard, expand the Custom Dashboards dropdown and choose Create. Give your dashboard a name like Agreement Types Overview and add a description so other users understand its purpose. Remember, you can create up to 100 custom dashboards, and each dashboard can contain up to 20 standard or custom reports. Next, let's create a report to add to our dashboard. Select Start from Scratch and then choose New Report. In the data source section, pick the agreement data set you want to use. Then select Add Filter to narrow the data. For example, you might want to filter by annual contract value or by agreements that have an expiry date populated. For this example, let's use all agreements. Once the data source is set, move down to Build Your Report. Choose a numeric measure, for example, a count of agreements or a total value field, keeping in mind that custom reports only support numerical values as metrics. For this example, let's use count of records. Then we need to use Group By to break down that metric by an attribute, such as the month of your expiry date field or by agreement type. Both standard and custom fields can be used here. For this example, let's group our report by agreement type. Next, in the visualization section, choose how you want the report to display. A pie chart grouped by agreement type is a great way to see the types of agreements in your account at a glance. When you're happy with the setup, select Save, give the report a clean name such as Types of Agreements, and add a short description and save it. Your dashboard now displays this report as a tile alongside any other reports you choose to add in the future. By combining custom reports with custom dashboards, you can use Insights to tailor your view of the agreements that matter most, so your team always has the right information when they need it. I hope you found this training tip useful, and for more information, please check out DocuSign University.